Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create a chart with double axes and combine different types of charts in the same element. This will be useful when you're trying to represent data with different scales. For example, trying to combine units sold with the dollar value obtained from the sales. So, let's get to it. This sample data contains the sales log of a fake company by month. On the columns, we have how many units were sold, the dollar value that was obtained from the sales, and how many units were returned per month. The task is to put a chart together with the units sold and the total dollar value per month. That should be simple, right? Select cell B1 to C13, then open the tab Insert and search for recommended charts. Let's scroll down, and the cluster column chart looks good, and maybe the line one too. Let's select the cluster column, and here we have our chart. Let's make it bigger so we can see the information. We have both series represented in the chart, units sold and dollar value. But the first thing you have to notice is that the units sold is very small in comparison with the dollar value. So we cannot really see the data that we're trying to represent. When we have something like this, we will use a secondary axis. We have the chart selected. Now go to the ribbon tab, Format, and on the selection box, search for Series Units Sold. Then click on the Format pane to modify the series. We have three tabs: Fill and Line, Effects, and Axis option. Select Axis, and here we have two options: primary and secondary. The default is the primary. For this series, we will move it to the secondary. And there we have. You can see how our chart got the secondary axis added, and the scale has changed, and both series are overlapped, but with different colors, so we can still see the numbers. We can change the scale to one of the axes to make it more distinct. Select the secondary axis, then open the axis option, and on the bound section, we can change the scale to 50, and that will make the units columns smaller to show more the cell series. To make it even more distinguishable, we can change the chart type. First, let's put the scale back to what it was and close the panel. Select the entire chart, go to the Format tab, open the selection box, and select Sales. Then go to the tab Chart Design, then click on Change Chart Type. A new window opens with options to change the type. Select Line with markers, and then click OK. And look at our chart. We have a clear distinction of these two series. Let's make another example. With the return units, our task is to add a chart that shows how many units have been returned, but also what is the return percentage per month. First, we have to create the second set of data. On column E, we will calculate the percentage of return. On cell E1, let's label the column percentage of return. Then on cell E2, type equal, select cell D2 divided by cell B2, and press Enter. Change the format to percentage and drag the formula down. Now select range D1 to E13. Then on the Insert tab, select the bar chart, and we have a similar condition than the previous example. Select the chart, go to the Format, then on the selection box, select the percentage return, open the panel, and move to the secondary axis. Then open the Chart Design tab and click on Change Chart Type. Select Line, and there we have. From here, it's a personal choice on what other elements to add to the chart: data legends, axis titles, and more. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my pages to learn more about this application. I'll see you in the next video.